UMLA kanong thamay ba Charles Pingro ba kasngi balang mandakatayo ula Krenshai ba ka Khun jong ulani ki bahing asam jong u Nym Iakhun ya ka by election ka banlong na ka benta ka Mawryngkneng constituency harian ka jingklat no jong ba David Nongrum ulong ba ka Congress ka de ka seng ka badan yo ka Nongrum bar kumta kan sayo yu kurtang ubabiang uban Iakhun na ka benta ka ni ka shuki.
But as a family, we have decided that we will not be contesting these elections. And as I have informed this to the Congress Party President and the working President, so that they can start the process of finding a suitable candidate to contest this by-elections.
It should continue rather.
Your legacy should be remembered rather than be continued. I left Mawryngkneng after 10 years, but they still remember my contributions. So that is most important. What you contribute to the society by being a representative of the people rather than continuity. So this is no one's right. People are free to elect anybody they want.